Hi friends, I am Sai Chetan and welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you whether you can connect the two earphones to the Realme X2 device or not. And bonus point is that whether you can connect the game controller after connecting the two earphones to the device, Realme X2 device. So recently I did the same kind of video on the Realme X2 Pro as well. So few of the viewers are asking me to do the same kind of video on the Realme X2 device as well. So here I got the two earphones ready, one from the Xiaomi 8 dots and one Power Beats earphones, and even I got the game controller right now connected to the device, as you can see here friends clearly. So let's check whether you can access the two earphones and game controller right now or not. So if you're first time watching this video, subscribe to my channel friends, and also don't forget to check the playlist of the Realme X2 phone in the description as well. So you can find plenty of videos on the Realme X2 device which I did recently. As you can see, I uploaded more than 100 videos on the Realme X2 phone alone. So right now let me get started with the Bluetooth connection, how it works and what are the things you need to take care before connecting two devices. So right now you can see your friends clearly I connected the gamepad controller as well, so it's showing the connected right now, and even I connected the 8 dots as well. As you can see friends, even you can see the battery level of the earphones. That's a very good thing. And even I connected the Power Beats earphones as well, as you can see here. So right now when you're listening to the audio, you need to just select the earphones which you want to listen through. So you cannot listen same audio song in both the earphones at same time, so you need to choose any of the one. So if you, as you can see, if it says connected, that means the audio is not playing in that phone. If it says only in use, then that earphones is actually in use and audio is playing in that earphones. So if you want to select the 8 dot, just you need to tap on the 8 dots, and now it will be changed to the status to in use and calling and playing media, as you can see. So in this way you need to switch from one earphones to the other earphones in the Realme X2 device. And the best thing is that even you can connect the Bluetooth gaming controller at same time to the device, Realme X2 device. So that's another bonus point for the Realme X2 device. And same kind of test I'll be doing with the other smartphones as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel friends meanwhile, and check the playlist of the Realme X2 device, so you can find plenty of videos on the Realme X2 phone which I did on various tests and lot of comparisons. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can comment below. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.